Okay, there we go. Video's going. Can you show us your scoop and bite, Zaya? Can you scoop and bite? Good girl. Yay, you did it. Good job, Zaya. Yeah, good girl. You did it.
Hey, then your baby teeth get a little bit bigger.
Good, Zaya.
For chewing.
Well, the baby teeth grow in. You need my spoon too? I was just trying to help you get a big bite.
Hey.
Oh, we're going to eat with our hands? That's okay. You did well on your scoop and bite practice. Very proud of you. Do you want my spoon too? You can have it.
Zaya can have your spoon. Zaya's not. It'll tip the bowl over.
Yeah, she ate quite a bit of oatmeal, didn't she?
Hey, Nathan, can you take a video of me licking like a cat?
Okay. Video's going. You're eating with your tongue like a kitty. Lick, lick, lick. That's cute.
Bang!
And what's Zaya doing?
Bang!
Making noise and jumping. Okay. Good eating like a kitty. Okay.
Bang! Bang!
Oh, bang, bang. Zaya's drumming with her spoons.
Bang! Bang! Sometimes Zaya will put her food dish on her head.
No, I hope not. We don't want to get oatmeal in her hair.
Sometimes you
Okay. Thank you for showing us your scoop and bite.
to get food in your hair.
Do you want to say bye, camera?
I'll show them how I lick out of a bowl.
Okay, show me your licking out of a bowl. There you go.
Bye bye, camera. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Zaya says bye bye.
Say bye bye, camera. Say bye. You want to wave your spoon? Okay. Bye bye.